Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to get email alerts for new Facebook leads. So I am running a real estate agency, and to promote my business, I am using Facebook lead ads. Now I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, which I have created with the help of Facebook lead ads. And my objective is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through that, then automatically I want to receive an email alert with all the details of that same lead. In order to get this alert, I am using SMTP by Pabbly. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, which is an amazing email delivery service which helps us to transfer and forward the emails to multiple people automatically and effortlessly. So I will simply set up a connection between Facebook lead ads and SMTP with the help of Pabbly Connect to automate this entire process, so that whenever a new lead will be generated for my real estate agency, I am going to receive the email alert. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step that how we can automatically get email alerts whenever a new Facebook lead is received. So to get the email alerts, I am going to use SMTP by Pabbly, which is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. That is an amazing email delivery service which helps us to transfer and send the emails to multiple people effortlessly. Now here, in order to get the emails every time whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads for my real estate agency, I'm going to set up a connection between Facebook lead ads and SMTP by Pabbly. So let's get started. Let's suppose I'm running a real estate agency, and to promote my business, I am using Facebook lead ads. So I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page with the help of Facebook lead ads, and I've also created a lead gen form with the help of it. And I want that as soon as a new lead is going to submit my lead gen form according to their interest of the property, then immediately I want to receive an email notification that I have received a new lead with all the details of that lead along with the type of property in which he is interested. Alright, so let's get started. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. Basically, we are going to create our automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So after coming on this homepage, you will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user like me, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button to create your free new account, and that is going to take just 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, because I am already an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's quickly click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created. And we can also create different folders over here to save our workflow separately and accordingly. Now, to create a new workflow, we need to click on this create workflow option. Let's do that. And here a dialog box is appear in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to our workflow. So first of all, I'm going to give a name over here. Get email alerts for new Facebook leads. After giving the name to my workflow, here I'm going to select the folder in which we want to save the workflow. So you can see we have a list of folders over here. Among the list, I'm going to select this Facebook lead nurturing automations, and I'm going to click on create. So my workflow will get saved in the folder which I have selected. Now, as we have clicked on create, you can see a new screen is open in front of us, which contains two important windows: trigger and actions. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles or the entire building blocks on which the entire automation works. The trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want according to our requirements. Now let's suppose here my objective is that for my real estate agency, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then I want to receive an email alert for that same lead along with all the details. So for that, I'm going to take Facebook lead ads in my trigger step and SMTP by Pabbly in my action to receive the email. When we are going to set up a connection between these two applications, we can clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is generated from Facebook lead ads, then only the email will be received through SMTP, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating the workflow step by step. So first of all, to start the workflow, we have to go towards our trigger step and we have to select our trigger application. So our trigger application over here will be Facebook lead ads. Let's quickly select that. As we have done that, now we have to select the trigger event. So trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. You can see we have two options over here, new lead instant and new lead. So when we are going to select new lead instant, that means whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, then immediately and instantly the response of that lead with all the details will be captured. So here we are going to select new lead instant as our trigger event. Okay, as we have selected that, now instantly the response will be captured for each and every new lead. Then we will simply set up the connection by clicking on connect, and to build this connection we have two options, as you can see, add new connection or select existing connection. Now before moving forward, you can see I am already logged into my Facebook account and this is the Facebook page. I have already opened that. Okay, so now I'm going to set up the connection by clicking on add new connection, and we will click on connect with Facebook lead ads. In case if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now when we have clicked on this button, you can see that now we have to select the account and we have to click on continue over here. As we have done that, you can see that our authorization has become successful and our connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. Now what we have to do, just we have to select the page and the lead gen form. To understand this, first of all, I'm going to take you back towards my Facebook account, and over here you can see that this is the name of my page, Prime Properties. By using this page, I'm running my ad campaign with the help of Facebook lead ads, and I've also created a lead gen form to generate the leads. So after watching my ad campaign, whenever a lead is going to submit the lead gen form, then I'm going to receive the response of that lead. So in that form, I have included all the details which I want of my lead, such as the name of the lead, email address, contact number, and the type of property they are interested in. So as soon as the person is going to submit that lead gen form, the details of that lead will be captured. Okay, so for that we have to set up the connection between this page and Pabbly Connect. So we'll move forward. Here you can see that the name of my page is already selected. Then we have to select the lead gen form. So you can see we have two options over here. Here recently I've created this lead form in order to generate the leads for my real estate agency. So I've selected that particular form, and then when we are going to click on save and send test request button, we will receive the response. But before that, let's turn the simple response button on, because we want to capture the response in simple terms. Okay, when we have clicked on this button, it is saying that waiting for webhook response. Here a test response is received and it is still waiting for the response. That means now we have to do a test submission by submitting the lead gen form in order to capture the response. And how we are going to do that? With the help of Meta for developers. So I'm going to take you over there, and here you have to go towards more option. We have the option of tools. Let's select that. Under tools, when we'll scroll down, here we have the option of lead ads RTO debug tool. So let's select that quickly. After coming over here, you can see that here we have the option of page and the form. So this is basically lead ads testing tool. With the help of this testing tool, we are going to test our integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. So when we are going to select our page, our form, and when we are going to submit the form over here, automatically the response of that form will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Because currently I'm not running any live campaign on my Facebook page, this is just a test submission. Therefore, we cannot send the response of a real lead towards Pabbly Connect, and therefore I'm going to test my integration with the help of lead ads testing tool. But once you will complete your integration, when you will be running a live campaign, you can test your integration as well with the help of lead ads testing tool. But in real also, when a real lead is going to submit your lead gen form, you will be receiving the response of that real lead. Okay, now let's get started quickly. Here we have to first of all select our page. The name of my page is Prime Properties, as you can see, and here we have the form which is already selected. Now when we are going to click on preview form, the form will be open. But because this is a new form which I have created, therefore I can directly click on preview form button to open the form. But in case if you are using any existing form, then first of all you have to delete your existing lead from that form. Then you will be able to open the form and submit it. Okay, so first you will delete the lead from the existing form, then you will refresh this page. Once again you will select your page and the form, and then you will go further. So because this is the new form which I have created, therefore I am directly going to click on preview form option. Over here you can see that the form is open in front of us. Basically this is a contact form through which I'm going to connect with my lead. So as soon as the lead is going to watch the ad, submit this form, then automatically I'm going to capture the response. So in this form, as I told you, I have included certain details such as type of property in which the lead is interested, email, full name, and the phone number. So first of all, let's start with the property. Let's say here we have two options, rental property, residential property. So the person is going to select residential property. Okay, let's say the email of this lead is smartlead@pabblytudes.com, just a random email. Then I'm going to enter the full name, let's say smartlead, and a random phone number over here. Alright, when I'm going to click on continue and submit the form, you can see that the form is submitted over here. We'll cross this, we'll move back towards Pabbly Connect. We will wait for the response for a few seconds. and you can see that the response is capture. So in this response here we have received all the details. This is the type of property in which the lead is interested. So here we have the answer is residential property, the email of the lead. Here we have the full name and the phone number. Along with this, we have also received the date and time at which the form is submitted. Along with this, we have received the form ID, the lead ID, and all of the details. This means that our connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads for our ad campaign, then the response of that lead with all the details will be captured automatically inside Pabbly Connect. Once you will set up this connection, further you can transfer this response to any other application. My objective is to receive the emails for each of the leads whenever the lead is generated, that too with the help of SMTP. So my next application over here will be SMTP. So we'll move towards our action step and we will select our action application as SMTP by Pabbly. SMTP by Pabbly is a service that allows you to send emails using the simple mail transfer protocol. It acts as an email delivery platform that helps you send emails reliably and efficiently from your applications or websites. With Pabbly's SMTP service, you can set up an automated email campaign, send transactional emails, and ensure your messages reach the recipient's inboxes. It is a useful tool for businesses and individuals looking to manage their email communication seamlessly. So with the help of SMTP, I'm going to receive the emails every time whenever the lead is generated from Facebook lead ads. Now to build the connection, we have to select the action event that what we want to perform. We want to send the email, so let's click on connect. Now to build this connection, it is asking us for the following details such as host name, username, password, encryption type, and the port. So when you will set up your SMTP account, you will receive all these details. Okay, you have to enter the same details over here. Okay, so one by one I'm going to enter the details over here. So I have entered all these details. Now what we will do, simply click on save. In the similar manner, you have to enter all the details of SMTP account and your connection will be successful. Once the connection is successful, now what we have to do, we have to enter the details in these fields to send the mail. So here it is asking us first of all from name, that from which name you want to send the email. Here I am going to simply enter the name of my company, that is Prime Properties. Then here it is asking us from email, that from which email address you want to send this email. So here I'm going to enter the from email address which I have already received while creating this SMTP account. This is my email address. Then we have to enter the reply to email address. If you want, you can enter it over here, but if you want, you can also ignore it. Then we have to enter to, that means the recipient email address, that to whom you want to send this email. If you want to send this email to any other person, you can enter the email address of that person over here. But currently, because our objective is to receive the email alerts whenever the Facebook leads will be received, therefore over here in the recipient email address, we have to enter our own email address only. So I'm going to enter my email address, admin@pablitudes.com, and because here I have entered this email address manually, so this email will remain same each time. Therefore we are going to receive the email every time to this email only. Then if you want, you can also enter the CC email, BCC email. Then directly we'll move towards the subject. So the subject of this email will be new lead alert. Okay, I've entered it manually because I want to keep the subject same each time. So here whenever a lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, we are going to receive a new email with the subject new lead alert. Okay, so here I'm going to correct the spelling first of all, then we'll move forward. Then we have to enter the body, that means the main content, the message which we want to receive. So here every time I'm going to generate a new lead from Facebook lead ads, I want to get an email alert. Okay, here I will simply enter a specific message which contains all the details of that lead, such as name, email address, phone number, and the important thing is the type of property in which the lead is interested. So the message will be related to, hello, a new lead is received for real estate business. The details are name, email, phone number, interested for, check and move further to convert the lead as early as possible. Thanks. So here in the place of name, email and other details, what I will do, I will simply enter the details of the lead. Already we have received the details in our earlier response, so instead of entering them manually, we will simply map the data over here. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here you can see that the previous step is given. First of all, it is asking us for the name. So here the name is given. When we will select that, it is mapped over here. When we have mapped this name, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, it is going to replace automatically. So now whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, then immediately the response will be captured, and as soon as the response will be captured, automatically all the details which we are going to map over here are going to replace with the new details of that new lead. In this way, we are going to automate the entire process of receiving emails for every new Facebook lead. Okay, then here we are going to map the email address of that person so that we can receive all the details automatically, then the phone number, and here the type of property in which the lead is interested is given. And after entering the details, what we will have to do, we have to use BR tags because we are using SMTP, so it only considered the HTML format. So in order to send the emails every time in a systematic format, we have to use BR tags so that we can break the lines in between. Okay, so here first of all I'm going to start with the BR tags, then I'm going to close the BR tag where I want to break the line. In the similar manner, I'm going to use all the BR tags over here. And after entering all the BR tags, I will simply click on Save and Send Test Request button. The response is received over here. It is given the status is success and the email has been sent to the email address. So let's go and check whether on the email address which we have entered over here, the email is received or no. And over here, yes, we can see that the email is received. When we will open the email, over here you can see that yes, the email is received. Here we have, hello, a new lead is received for real estate business. The details are name, email address, phone number, and all other details. This means that our connection is absolutely successful and our workflow is also running fine. So now whenever a new lead will be received from Facebook lead ads, automatically a new email alert will be received to us through SMTP with all the details of that lead. This will help us to be updated every time of the new leads with all the details. Further, we will be able to create a record of all these leads automatically in Google Sheets. We will be able to follow up the leads so that we can convert them into payable customers. So I hope this amazing workflow is clear to you and it will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.